how's everyone doing today? My name is Gina and I'm doing great. So, who's ready for page 3 in our cute little album that we are working on, our cute little wedding album? I've already done 2 pages. Oy. I will link in probably at the end of the video the playlist. So if you've just come along, you can get caught up, or if you need to look back at something, you can go back and look to see how we've created this so far. I am using my tag-along printable template in the wedding design. I just love it. I think it's perfect for a wedding album, right? And I'm also using some of my backgrounds that I created, and I will also be using some ephemera that I created for the wedding set. So all that is on my Etsy store if you're interested, and all that's linked down below. And I'm also using the Prima Love Story paper line. Oh, I love this paper. It's so pretty, 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 pretty. So I've already inked and cut out everything that we need, and I've put tape on. I'm using score tape by Sequang. I guess that's how you say it. I don't know. And I'm going to be using Fabri-Tac. And the ink I'm using is the Tim Holtz Distressed Ink and Gathered Twigs. So with that said, let's build this page. Alright, so like with all pages in the book, we need the base page and we need a base pocket page. So we need this page on page 2, and we need this on page 3. So let's create our base here so that we can have that done. I'm going to use a little bit of glue stick. It just helps if we need to reposition it. So yeah. Alright, and I always find it easier to use the pocket, put the pocket on first. And we're just going to line it up to the edges as best as we can. Remember, paper is a finicky little guy. You can have it cut perfectly, scored perfectly, all that good stuff, and then something still might go a little wacko. But that's just how paper does, right? Okay. And if you're not perfect, like that didn't get on there here, because I used that glue stick. Yep. I don't think it's wanting to cooperate. I got it off a little bit. I'm just going to put another piece of tape down on there. It was off a little. And sometimes that happens, and you just have to start over. That's much better. Happier with that. Okay. Yep. And you can always ink too, if it's off just a tad. Okay, so now we've got our base page. So let's do the front side of it. So, what I've done is I'm going to create this flip in pockets, and the flip is page number 3, the base pocket, set A, number 1. But I just cut off all 3 sides and left 1 because I want it to go this way. I want us to open it up like that, right? Because we've done a flip like this, but we haven't done one landscape. So I want to do it landscape. So before I mat, I want to go ahead and put this down because we want to hide the tab there. We don't want it to show. And we could have gone inside with it if you want to, but I didn't want to do it on the inside because it was a little short. So we'll just put it to the edge here as best as we can. Again. Okay. Alright. Now we can go ahead and we can put our mat down. Oh wait, before we do that, let's put the magnets on. I do want to put a magnet on. So, let me grab my magnets. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got my magnets and then on this side, I've got this pocket, which is from page number 6, right here. So I've got it, and I want it to go right there. I think that'll be cute. There it is. Aw, isn't that cute? I like it. I'm gonna like that a lot. Okay, so it's gonna go in the book like this. So, let's do like that. Sometimes I get turned around. Okay, so now on this back page, or the B side, I like to call it, I was not gonna make an accordion page in this album, and then I changed my mind because it seemed like the accordion it gets just too bulky. But I think I may have found a way around that. But only time will tell when I get it built, right? So I've again taken from page number 3. I've taken the base pocket page, and I've cut off 3 sides. I didn't want, like the last time we did a flip, we did it this way, or this way. So I left the one short tab. This time I want it to go this way, flip up. So I've left 1 long tab. And I've gone ahead and put the score tape on it. And I thought about putting it on the inside, but I think it'll fit better if we do it on the outside of the page. Instead of making it go inside the pocket, we'll just set it like this. And again, I'm just trying to line it up the best that I can here, because we got a lot of things going on. Okay, so we have him down, and of course we want to put, before we mat or anything like that, we want to go ahead and put our magnets down. What I've done is, hopefully to help with the bulk situation that I found happened, I took from page number 6 this pocket here, pocket set A number 3, and I'm going to use it, I think, in order to make the accordion page, right? So what I did is I cut off just the 2 smaller sides and left the long side. So let's get that attached to the front, and I'm going to do it right down here. Okay. All right. So, there we go. Now again, we're going to need another magnet so that it will stay closed. Now, I have a belly band, and it is from page number 2, I do believe. Yep, it's this guy right here. Set A number 1. If I can get in camera shot. Right. So I want to... belly band on, but I've decided to not do that. We'll just use that on our next page. Alright, so we can go ahead and, because I do want to embellish, and if I build too much, I won't be able to embellish, so we'll just use the belly band on the next page. Oh, that is cute. It opens like that. Yes, I like it. Alright, so let's put this in the album and I will be right back. Okay, it's in and I think it looks really good. It's not too bulky, which I was afraid it may have been, but it's perfect. I love it. I really do like this page. Flip it out. Oh, that's cute. I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, so that's it for page 3. That's it for this video. Alright, y'all. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it inspired you just to create. Alright, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe if you've not already subscribed. And if you have, thank you so much. I truly, truly, truly appreciate it. But don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified for every time that I post a video. Alright, y'all. Y'all be good to one another, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.